Hey guys, we're back with another video. I'm Charles Rogie, and today we're here in the shed with the Salford and the bean planter and tractor. There's other stuff in here, but today we're focusing on these things. And so first, we had the Salford in here for a long time, but then we just pulled the bean planter in here, and then a couple days later, the wing, this is the wing up here, fell. The pressure, even though it was locked, the pressure got to it and it kind of fell down and it broke these lenses up there, and then it broke the mirror. But we've already kind of did a little bit of fixing, which this broke. It kind of cracked right there. And so, and usually the Salford is usually down when we work the ground, and it kind of stomps the socks down. And but right now we fold it up so it can be in our shed. And so the only way we could keep it from not falling again is putting a chain around it so it wouldn't fall, to hold it together. And so today we're going to attempt to fix the mirror. And it was a success. We got the mirror back on there. Well, my dad got the mirror back on there, and so it should be ready for planting. So, and today's lesson was, even when you're not around stuff, it can still break. So until next time, guys, stay safe.